What's good, and welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. We're gonna go over Cardano, guys. We may be having a bit of a relief bounce here. Currently, we're sitting. Let me refresh this here. Currently, we are sitting at 282. We're down about 1.5% on the day. We're sitting at a market cap of 90.57 billion. 24-hour volume is 4.67 billion. Guys, if you're new to crypto.com, make sure to sign up to the world's fastest crypto growing app. Receive $25 in crypto just for signing up through my referral. So the first thing I want to show you guys here is we had our back test of support. I talked about 294, and I said we most likely will not break through that level. We're either going to hit resistance or we're going to roll over for our back test of support, and that's exactly what happened. We came right down to 277, which is the golden ratio. Now I want to show you guys the RSI. I'm actually going to open it up here a little bit for you guys. So you can see here, this is where we previously bounced off the RSI, and you can see we're starting to bounce off of it once again. If we look at Bitcoin here, this is a 30-minute time frame. There's a bullish divergence, and we're starting to see that breakout back to the upside. So you can see here the price was falling and the RSI was rising, and we've had the bounce. We're starting to bounce back up. So keep an eye on the 55 EMA. I know this is the 30-minute time frame, very short time frame here. But if you see it backed up by some volume, my apologies. But if you see it backed up by some volume here, we break through the 55, we could see a nice little relief bounce here for ADA. All right, guys, so let's hop back into it. So 284 will act as a major level of resistance, previous level of support, and it lines pretty close up with the 0.786. If we break through that, guys, we may head back up to test our high here at about 294, which we've done multiple times. We tested it here, we tested it here, we almost tested it once again. So we may see that once again, because we know that ADA absolutely pumps when Bitcoin sees a little bit of recovery here, and we're starting to see a bounce off the RSI and right off the golden ratio here as well. So if we do break 284, keep an eye on 294 as your next level of resistance for ADA. So let's hop over into the 4-hour time frame. So not too much has changed. We are still holding the 20 EMA here. If we were to lose it, we could find support once again on the 55. Do keep an eye on 249 level of support. If you do see that rollover, we see that larger correction in the market. We have 249. We also have the previous swing high, which we haven't back tested yet, at 225 for ADA. So just a quick little update here. I just noticed this little bullish divergence on the 30-minute chart, and wanted to bring it to you guys' attention for Bitcoin here, as we're seeing a bit of a relief bounce for ADA. So we'll see if we break 284. If we come up and we simply just get rejected, we roll over once again. Your levels of support, 277, 271, 265. We are waiting for the big move in the market. We are anticipating a big move either to the upside or to the downside. It's a really decisive time. Kind of hard to tell which way we're gonna go. But if we look here on ViewBase, these are the whale positions, guys. If we come down to ADA, where are you? 45% are long, which means 55% are short. So do keep that in mind, guys, for ADA. So that's pretty much it. Just wanted to make you aware that we have bounced off this level on the RSI once before, so we may see another little bit of relief bounce here, possibly up to 294, or we hit some resistance here at 284. All right, guys, so that's basically it. We are waiting for that big break in the market. So I would keep an eye on this neckline as well for Bitcoin, which was the neckline of our double top. If we come and hit it as resistance for 8190, we get rejected, then you can see that technical target down here at 47084. And if we break above it, then that inverse head and shoulders has its chance to play out, and the neckline for that inverse head and shoulders is back up here at about 49141. The volume is still low, guys, so you would really need to see a large increase in bullish volume here if we're going to see that throwback and continuation to the upside. But if we do get rejected, we roll over, and that's when you'll see ADA come down to these levels of support. 271, that double top, and then we have 265, 258, previous swing high right here, 258. And then we have our technical target at 248 from this double top pattern. All right, guys, so seeing a little bit of relief bounce here. Just wanted to bring it to your attention. That's it for this one. Sign up to Bybit. Follow me on social. Check out the Discord. See you in the next video. Peace. Much love.